welcome to Sikishan Sharada College YouTube channel. Dear student, this video is prepared to guide you in submitting the assignment for your TDC events and uh, CBCS examination. For that, you have to visit www.sscollegehkd.ac.in and you will find a page like this. This is the homepage of our official website. Here you will find a button named Assignment Submission. You have to click on this particular link, Assignment Submission, and you will find this particular page where you have to download the assignment preparation instruction, and for that you have to click on this particular link, that is click here to download the instruction. And this is the instruction and notice for your assignment submission date and all these things. And you have to uh, prepare your assignment using this particular format where you have to mention your stream, semester, subject, paper type, regular or area, name of the student should be in block letter, university registration number, class roll number, last examination roll and number, and that should be put in the first page. This is the home page of your or the cover page of your assignment. And then you have to prepare your assignment where you have to maintain left and top 1 inch margin, and paper size should be A4, and the document should be saved in PDF format, and the size of the document should be 10 MB or less than 10 MB, and file name should be given as per your university registration number. That is, if your registration number is 20300111, then you have to submit your you have to save the assignment in the name of 2013001111, so that the evaluator can find your assignment easily. Moreover, you have to submit or you have to prepare the whole assignment in a single file, because there is a provision to upload only a single file in the server. So please do not make more than one file for the assignment. Next step is to download the question paper for the assignment. The first group of subjects here corresponds to the art stream subjects, and these click here links will guide you to download the question paper. The first one is English, second Bengali, third Persian, then Sanskrit, then Manipuri, economics, political science, philosophy, and history. And second group of subjects belongs to science stream, where you will find physics, chemistry, mathematics, zoology, SEC, botany, statistics, etc. If you want to download, or if you are a student of commerce stream, then you have to click this link to download the assignment instruction or the assignment question paper. And the second sem student who are submitting their compulsory AECC paper assignment have to click here to download the question paper, and then after downloading the question paper you have to prepare your assignment as per the instruction downloaded from here. After the preparation of the assignment and saving the file in PDF format as per instruction given in the instruction paper, you have to submit the assignment. And for that you have to select the subject from these drop down menu. Again, here we have given the streamwise upload link, and for selecting the upload link, if you have to click these drop down menus, and from that drop down menu you have to upload the assignment as per your stream. The first drop down menu is for art stream, second drop down menu is for science stream, and third drop down is for commerce stream, and the fourth one is for second semester ACC paper. For example, I am selecting the physics paper for preparing the assignment, and for that I have to click here to download the instruction paper from the server. This is the instruction paper of physics. Accordingly, I have to answer all these questions in A4 A4 size paper, and I have to prepare the assignment. and I have to save the assignment in PDF format, giving the file name of my with my registration number. And then, as I have prepared or I am a student of physics, that is why I have to get that upload link from the science team group, and where I have to select the physics from this drop down menu, and the first one is physics, and then I have to only select that physics here, which will lead me to a new page where I have to give the email address, name of the student, university registration number, last semester exam roll, last semester exam number, then class roll number, and then I have to upload my prepared assignment. For that, I am giving my email address, and you can type anything as per your university registration, and then your roll, and then number, and then class roll number, and then I have to upload the file. And for that, I have to click on add file, then select file from device, and then I have to select the file which I have created as my assignment, and then I have to click the upload button. After some time, it will be uploaded to the server, and the last step is to click on the submit button and wait for the acceptance message. And this is the acceptance message. This is your response has been recorded.